Do you want to grow your savings and start investing in 2025? Here are three best fintech apps I personally recommend for beginners. Hi there. Welcome to the channel where we talk about tech, finance, and smart ways to grow your money. My name is Mary Dono, and I will be spilling all the juicy details on these topics. If you're new here, please do well to subscribe because today I will be breaking down the three best fintech apps for absolute beginners. Whether you're a newbie or you have little experience with growing your money, these apps are actually very seamless and they start with very low amount. I'm talking something you literally spend almost every day. Yes, you can start saving with such kind of amount as little as 3,000 naira, 5,000 naira. You can start with these apps. Number three on my list is Invest Niger. Well, I can guess you've come across their adverts on TV, maybe because of the ongoing program which they currently sponsor. However, Invest Niger is a good platform where you can start saving with as little as 5,000 naira. Now, on Invest Niger, there's a provision for you to meet a particular target. Say, for example, December Ombule. You can actually target your December Ombule funds right now. So you start with 5,000 naira. You can set the specific amount you want to save up to. Let's say you have 300,000 naira in mind. So on Invest Niger, there's a calculator where you can actually put in the 300,000 naira and you can see how you can save up to that amount, even with interest. That is, the platform gives you interest on your daily, monthly, or if it is weekly, whichever one is your choice. Like you can literally choose, and it's so flexible. That's why I like the platform. Now, you may need to download the app through your App Store or your Play Store, but it's available for any kind of mobile user. Now, number two on my list is Cowrywise. Now, Cowrywise has been around for a long time, and it is a perfect fit if you are looking to invest in mutual funds or if you have a basic knowledge of investing. Personally, I use Cowrywise and I've been able to grow my investment funds by a lot. I can invest in dollar funds or Naira funds, whichever one suits your budget. And also on Cowrywise, you can also invest in properties. Yes, you can be part of a property owner. I mean, that's the beauty of Cowrywise. There's so many features on Cowrywise. Do well to check it out and let me know what your experience is. And number one on the list is PiggyVest. PiggyVest is one of the most trusted financial platforms in Nigeria, and it gives you more earnings than most traditional banks. Now, on PiggyVest, you can lock your money, automate your saving, and earn more interest than most traditional banks. PiggyVest is actually one of the most trusted financial platforms right here in Nigeria, and it's been around for quite a while. So there is no issue of, oh, will my money get missing? Will I not have access to the platform anymore? Are there any issues? Will any issues arise, or is just one of those no, absolutely not. Piggyverse has done a good job with proving that they are here to stay. So it's time for you to get on the money making machine and move fast. So the links to these apps have been attached in the description box below. Do well to check them out and let me know in the comments which of them you have tried out or will be trying out. What was your experience? How much were you able to save? And how was your plan? What were the issues you encountered? Maybe you didn't have an idea on investing, and how were you able to overcome that so that more people like you can also learn from your experience? Thank you, and see you in my next video.